Hey guys, today we are eating one chip challenge. Let's step on the gas. Let's go. Let's go. It's getting spicier now. It's getting spicier now. But I can handle it. One chip challenge. What? Who else? Who else can do this? We're doing live. Who else did spicy live like this? Who did it before? Yeah, sweating. I'm sweating. It's hot. I didn't drink water for a long time, right? I already eat it. Yeah. For a long time, I didn't drink water. Who can do this? Is it spicy? Yes, it's spicy. It's spicy, but no my spiciness level. No. Chef Mistermezss, what should we cook for dinner? Dinner. I can make a quick, small pasta. Yeah. It's spicy, but not my spicy. I even ate two habanero pepper before. I ate two habanero pepper before I started. So you see, I ate the one chip challenge. I didn't drink water for I don't know how many minutes. For over 15 minutes now. I don't know. It's just a flame in your tongue. Yes, it was very, very hot. It was very, very hot. But to be honest, right? To be honest, it was very, very hot. But this hot is not on my level, you know. My spiciness level is high. It's too high. I've been eating spicy since I was a baby, I can say. I gotta go. Bye bye.